not gonna be doing anything if I can help it. Oh no, what's happening? Hi, Paw Patrol. Are you guys ready to do something fun today? Yeah, let's go do something. You're not gonna be doing anything if I can help it. Oh no, what's happening? Where did that shark come from? You're all going to jail! Ha ha ha! Good luck getting out of jail, Paw Patrol! Oh no, let's hurry and go look in the jail. Oh no, everyone look! They're all in jail! And they can't get out, even if I open it! Oh no, Paw Patrol, what are we going to do with you? What? Where did all these guys come from? A shark put them in jail. A shark? Sharks can't do that. They swim underwater. Well, if you're in jail, then I don't think I can help you. See you later. Woo. Oh man, you guys, what are we going to do? There's no one here to help you. Well, I guess we're gonna have to get out our magical fidget spinner. Boop. There it is. Here's our magical fidget spinner. We're gonna have to use it to save all of our Paw Patrol. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and spin this and see who we can get out. Here we go. Who are we gonna get out first? It's Marshall! We gotta get out Marshall first. Here we go. Woo! Look what our magical fidget spinner did. It got Marshall out of jail. Thank you so much, fidget spinner. Here we go, Marshall. Whoa! I can fly again. Woo! There's Marshall. All right, we're gonna have to use you again, fidget spinner. Let's see who we can get out this time. It's Zuma! We gotta get Zuma out. Let's spin it. Boop. There he is! The magical fidget spinner got out Zuma! Woohoo! Hi, Zuma! Woohoo! Thank you guys so much! I missed flying! Woohoo! Fly away, Zuma! Fly! There he is. Look, now we have Marshall and Zuma. Now we gotta use our fidget spinner again to get out our next Paw Patrol. Let's see who we can get. Whoop. Go, magical fidget spinner. We got Rocky. Now we can get Rocky out. Let's spin it. Look who we got. It's Rocky. We got Rocky out of there. Thanks so much, fidget spinner. Woohoo! Let's fly. Whoa! Fly away. Woohoo! There's Rocky for you. Oh, thank goodness you guys are safe. Let's get out our next Paw Patrol. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? It's Rubble. We gotta get out Rubble. All right, fidget spinner. Let's keep going. Get out rubble for us. Woohoo! Magical fidget spinner did it. We got rubble out. Let's fly away, rubble. Woohoo! Here we go. Fly away, everyone. Rubble's yellow. Look, we have 4 of our Paw Patrol out now. Marshall, who's red. Zuma's who's orange. Rocky, who's green. And Rubble, who's yellow. All right, let's get our fidget spinner and get out our next Paw Patrol. It's gonna be Sky or Chase. It's Sky! All right, let's get out Sky fidget spinner. Boop. There she is! It's Sky! Here we go, Sky! Woohoo! Here we go! I can fly! There you go, Sky. She's pink. Okay, we have 1 more Paw Patrol to go. Let's get him. It's Chase! Woohoo! We got him! Let's get him out of there. Look, we finally got Chase. Here he goes, flying away. Woohoo! All right, we got all of our Paw Patrol out thanks to our magical fidget spinner. Alrighty then. You guys stay out of trouble. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys, look at our parking stand we have. Yeah, look at this parking stand. We need to park all of our cars. I think our cars are too big for this. I agree with Sky. But how are we going to park if our cars are too big? Well, maybe you'll just have to park your car somewhere else and then fit all of these in here. That sounds like a good idea. It'd be fun anyways. Yeah, you're right, Marshall. Let's go park our cars somewhere else and come back. All right, let's go. I parked mine in my firehouse. I went and put some cones around mine. I put mine on my helicopter pad. I went and found a pile of dirt to put mine in. Oh, good job, Paw Patrol. Now we need to figure out this parking. This is our ticket booth with our little stand pass that lets people come out. But look, all of our colors are squampus. They don't even match the numbers on the side. We need to take all of them out. There we go. All of our cars are out, and look at all the different colors. All right, let's start with number 1. Its color is kind of brown. So first car is brown. So we're just gonna drop this down in there. There we go. There's our first car, number 1. What about our second car, guys? What color is that? It's red. That's right. So we need to get our red car, but we can't put it in through here, so we have to slide it from the top again. Whoa, look at that one. That one went so fast. Okay, where's our third car? Our third car is orange. Beep, beep. Boop. There we go. 1, 2, 3. It's starting a rainbow. Let's do our next color. Our next color is yellow. Look how that's working. All right, next is light green. Then dark green. Light blue. Actually, this one's light blue. What's this one? These are two blues that look really similar. Light and dark blue. Okay, then we have purple and pink. And this is our top that tells us what level we're on. All right, well, what colors match you? I need the red car to match me. It's number 2. Let's get that one down. All right, let's pull them out. Here's our red car that matches Marshall. Here's your red car, Marshall.
Fired up.
Does that work for you? I think that looks great. Okay, next color is going to be Rubble. Rubble's color is yellow, and it's number 4. So let's pull out enough cars until we get yellow for Rubble.
Let's dig it.
There you go. Now we have Rubble's car.
Rubble on the double.
Okay, next car is going to be Chase with dark blue, and that's number 8. So we have to pull out all of these green ones, and light blue, and then we get dark blue for Chase.
Hi, I'm Chase.
Lastly, we have Sky. Sky's is pink, and it's number 10. So let's pull out until we get, there we go, number 10.
Let's take to the sky.
Look at that. We got all the colors for our pups. Okay, let's try putting our cars back in. Let's see if we can slide them up. Look, we can slide them up really good. There. Our colors don't match, but we got all of our parking in. All right, you guys want to put your cars back? Yeah, let's put them back in. We're going to put her pink one back in. Whew, there we go. Now let's put Marshall's red one. And Rubble's yellow one. And Chase's blue one. Whoop, and that should be it. All of our cars are in their parking stations. Put this down. Get up, Paw Patrol. Ooh, let's try this. Open this back up. We're going to have Sky right on top of the level. So we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, she only got to level 6. Good job, Sky. Let's try that again, but with our other Pops and see who can get the furthest. All right, Rubble, your turn. All right, let's try this. There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, he only got to level 8. Oh man, this is harder than I thought. All right, who's next? Marshall? Marshall's gonna go next. Let's see how far he can get. Okay, there's 10. 8, 7. Oop. That's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Marshall, you made it all the way down. Good job. Woohoo!
Fired up.
Good job, Marshall. That was fun, wasn't it? All right, say bye, Paw Patrol.
Bye-bye.